What if your very best chapter has not been written yet? What if you are capable of an entirely new beginning, a do-over, a second chance at life? What if everything inside of you that feels broken can be made beautiful? What if you could start over, and this time you could win? I know it may not feel that way right now. You might feel like a failure, or you might just be scared to make a change. But I'm here to tell you that you can begin again. And this time you can win. You can have the life you've always wanted, reinvent yourself. And it's never too late to do so. Why do people need to start over? People start over when their lives change dramatically, when they lose their job, when they get divorced, when they experience burnout, when they get older, when they retire. But even when life seems to be going well, there's a quiet part of us that still yearns to reinvent ourselves, to be someone new, to be someone more. And you might be thinking, but I'm happy with my life. I don't want to change anything. Well, that's great. But ask yourself, how would you feel if your life had even more meaning, more passion, more excitement? We all have moments in our lives where we wonder, is this all there is? Is there more for me? If you're feeling that way, then you're in the right place. This video will help you understand why it's okay to start over, how you can do so successfully, and how you can stay motivated when the going gets tough. It's not too late to reinvent yourself. Colonel Sanders didn't invent Kentucky Fried Chicken until he was 62 years old. Vera Wang didn't launch her bridal wear line until she was 40. Helen Mirren didn't find fame until she was 51. Grandma Moses didn't start painting until she was 78. It is never too late to pursue your dreams. In fact, age gives you advantages that you didn't have before. You've gained more wisdom, you've gained more confidence, you've gained more knowledge. So use those things to your advantage. And remember, age isn't a limit. It's wisdom with better taste. So how do you reinvent yourself effectively? There are 5 important pillars to follow. No. 1. Self-awareness. Before you can start over, you need to take stock of where you are now. What's working in your life and what's not working? What are you good at and what do you need to improve on? This is also the time to ask yourself some hard questions. What do I really want now? What do I want to do with the time I have left? Be honest with yourself about your strengths and weaknesses, and then use that knowledge to inform your decisions moving forward. Number 2. Letting go. Let go of your old identity, of who you were, of who you thought you were supposed to be. Let go of the fear of other people's judgment. Let go of the regrets of the past. Otherwise, you'll never be able to become who you're meant to be. Clinging to the past will only hold you back and prevent you from moving forward. As author and speaker Tim Castle said, you can't become who you're meant to be while clinging to who you were. So let go of the past and embrace the future that's waiting for you. No. 3. Learning and reskilling. Be a beginner again. Don't be afraid to start at the bottom and work your way up. In today's world, it's never too late to learn something new. There are so many resources available to us that we can tap into in order to learn and grow. There are countless books, courses, podcasts, and YouTube channels that can teach us almost anything we want to learn. There is so much free information out there that there is no excuse not to learn something new. We can also connect with other people who can help us learn and grow. There are so many mentors and coaches out there who are willing to share their knowledge and experience with us. We just need to be willing to listen and learn from them. Number 4. Vision and strategy. If you want to start over and do it effectively, you need to have a vision for what you want to create in your life. You need to be crystal clear on what you want and why you want it. You also need to have a strategy for how you're going to achieve your goals. You need to break down your goals into small, winnable steps and then create a plan for how you're going to execute on those steps. Once you have your vision and your strategy in place, you need to take action. You need to start taking steps towards your goals every single day, no matter how small those steps may seem. And if you need help with this, consider working with a coach or consultant who can help you develop a winning strategy. Number 5. Action and environment. Take one bold step towards your new life every single day. Maybe you take a class, you reach out to someone in your network, you read a book, you watch a YouTube video. Whatever it is, just take one step. Also, if your environment is holding you back, if you're surrounded by people who don't believe in your dreams, then change your environment. Move to a new city, change your job, change your apartment. Put yourself in an environment that supports your new life. Finally, surround yourself with people who are positive and encouraging. Spend time with people who believe in you and your dreams. Their belief in you will give you the strength and courage to keep going when the going gets tough. And when it does get tough, how can you stay resilient? When you start over, there will be times when you doubt yourself. You might feel like you're not good enough or smart enough. You might feel lonely or isolated. You might hear negative comments from people who don't believe in your dreams. When these times come, remember that you're not alone. Everyone experiences setbacks and negative emotions from time to time. The important thing is to not let those setbacks define you. Use them as fuel to make you even more determined to succeed. One thing that helped me during tough times is writing in a journal. Writing down my thoughts and feelings helps me process my emotions and see things in a different light. I also love going for walks and listening to music. It helps me clear my head and focus on the positive. I also pray and meditate. It helps me connect with myself and get in touch with my inner strength. Remember, it's okay to not be okay. Just don't stay there. Process your emotions and move forward. And finally, I want to leave you with this. This is your second chance. Don't wait for the perfect time to reinvent yourself because there is no perfect time. Reinvent now. Tonight, I want you to write down who you want to become and I want you to take one step toward it tomorrow. That's it. Just one step. That's how you start over, and that's how you win. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, share, or comment below your story of starting over. Your story could inspire others to start over and win too. This is your second chance. Don't wait for the perfect time, it doesn't exist. Start now. Tonight, write down who you want to become. Tomorrow, take one step toward it. That's how you start over, and that's how you win. See you next time.